Alright, just got the next one. This is why we have all those lights on the truck. We're on a crazy street here. Be going around. Sebastian, you want me to drive you ahead? Alright, we're finishing this baby up here. This big one here. Looking really good, looking really good. Yeah, this would have been 2 years. Look at that maple tree. Look at the colors on that. Isn't that nice? Yeah, 2 years since we've done this. Wait till you see the amount of hedge that's over here. There's going to be a lot. All right, let's load the ladders and we'll go around and bring the truck on the other side. Yeah, so we're late in the season, like I've told you guys. So when we get weather like today, it's 14, 15, we're really happy. So we're in the north part of town this morning. This afternoon we're in the west part. We're over by our shop. We're not too far from the shop. Setup. I don't know what that is. Some kind of irrigation setup. Just finishing up another big one here Friday afternoon. All the way down up there around the corner on the other side of the house, the front of the driveway. Over there. Down around the corner, a little bit wide. Must be an older hedge. Looks pretty good. Friday, end of the season. Another one done. Just got this crazy big one done here. Got the back all trimmed. I wish I would have got a picture showed you guys before we started. These are jobs like this that pay well because not too many people can do them. Make up for some of the other jobs sometime during the day. Sometimes they're not as good. All right. Off to the next one. All right, everyone, this is it. The last one of the week. We just finished it up. The van was in here. Nice big one.
you guys, thanks for coming along with us today. Hope you guys enjoyed this. This is what it's like. A professional team of cedar hedge trimmers in Canada. Province of Quebec, the town of Sherbrooke. All right, let's rock and roll. Well, hello everybody on this beautiful day. A little overcast. Supposed to maybe clear up this afternoon. I'm gonna bring you guys along with us today. We're in the town of Sherbrooke, Province of Quebec, the borough of Rock Forest. Gonna be trimming hedges here today. We're gonna bring you guys along with us. You guys come along and enjoy. Going a little too fast there. All right, that little part done. Getting towards the end of the season. A few guys not there today. Two of them, the kids are sick, and one of them, the usual suspect. All right, you guys. All right, we're just finishing this one up here. Beautiful job. Got the blower going. Looks really good. Really good. Well, starting to get some droplets. All right, want to show you guys this we're doing here. Go up here, up the porch of the client. It's like an apartment building. Show you guys what we got going on here. Another one bites the dust. So as you guys know, Friday afternoon we get to the shop, start sharpening, doing all the work has to be done, washing the trucks. Got a lot of stuff today too. Cleaning out the trucks, cleaning inside the trucks, make sure everything is good. The boys are unloading the pickup. There's my man. I don't know if you guys know my son. Ah, look at that. I wish I had that. All right. So we'll grab the cooler. We just unloaded this. That's what all the chipping is here. We chip out back in our field. We own the land here. Stuff we pick up during the day, we just chip it all. You want to hook up my... The boys are on the sharpening. Alright, you guys enjoy it. Give us a thumbs up. See you guys next week. Oh no. Well, we're Friday today. Yeah, it'll probably be Monday. We're putting that one up for you guys. Our day Monday. All right, see you guys. Adios, amigos.